There's nothing like a school full of children to test the durability of your wall paint, but with Albany Durable Matt, there is no need to worry. Whether it's a classroom or a living room, our Durable Matte paint provides a tough, long-lasting finish that's up to 500% stronger than standard vinyl matte emulsions. Ideal for high-traffic areas, it's a Class 1 rated scrubbable paint, meaning it will stand up to repeated cleanings and still look as good as new. Formulated for use on new or previously painted interior walls, Durable Matte is a high-opacity paint with 14 square meters per liter of coverage. An Albany Durable Matte is also quick drying for faster turnarounds, with it being touch dry in 2 hours and fully recoatable in as little as 4 hours. It's easy to apply by brush, roller or spray and is available in an extensive color range to suit any project. So head to your nearest Brewers store today and try it out for yourself. Albany Durable Matte, paint that works as hard as you do.